All right, let's make a start. I'm going to ask you some questions. This is IELTS speaking part 1 and you have to answer. Smile, relax, calm down. In actual exam, you will have the same interaction with the examiner. Well, if it is like due to COVID, sometimes they have speaking on screen. So then there will be screen in front of you. But otherwise, there will be examiner in front of you, right? So let's start. Scenery. Who is going to answer scenery questions? You? Okay, let's go on. Is there good scenery in your hometown?
I have the topic laugh.
All right,
I'm
and
not the
you?
same candidate.
Spending
The
some
senior one
good
is sitting over there.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਹੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰ
It's
ਦਿੱਤੀ
free.
ਹਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ है नहीं वही बात होगी ना जिसको अल्लाह मियाँ ने बनाया आज वो एब्सेंट है टीचर ने बच्चों को क्वेश्चन रटवा दिए एक से इसीलिए इंस्पेक्टर ने आना था एजुकेशन इंस्पेक्टर से कहा जी हमें सबको किसने बनाया है सारे चुप फिर एक बच्चा कहता है जिसको अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया था वो एब्सेंट हो गए तो अच्छा आप मुझे दोबारा बताएं
Laugh.
82 एंड
83.
83 चलिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट लेते हैं हाँ जी क्या करें तुसी शुरू हो गए all right let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1 I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer in actual exam also there'll be examiner in front of you okay like a horror movie scene okay so just relax do you like to watch movies or TV programs that make people laugh it means do you like to watch comedy movies
Yes, I love to watch movies and TV shows, but I recommend funny TV shows because I think it's the better way to make yourself relax and people. You can make the comfortable zone around yourself. And
okay
your
this
friends.
is good keep it
Yeah.
up fantastic let's go on do you usually make your friends laugh
Yes, I make my friends really laugh because I think I'm a sort of a laughing person and they enjoy my company and I think this is the way we can make our moments more memorable.
okay all right do you think it is important to laugh
Yes, it's really important. Not for your like. I think it's mentally. You can make yourself mentally relax as well because laughing makes you peaceful mind. You can think more. You can relax and you can think over many other stuff.
Okay, this is good. Overall, your answers are good. Your English is good. You just need to organize your answer, and you have to be familiar with such type of topics.
Right.
Okay. Now, for example, today I asked you about laughter. Next time anybody asks you, you will answer confidently.
Yes.
So just be familiar with the topics. Okay. Shall we start? I'm the examiner. Okay. All right. Do you usually spend time alone?
Yes, I feel.
Mic. Yeah, please speak in the mic.
I think it's very important.
I'm not telling you it's a mic. Yeah, I know it's a mic. Okay, I'm
Yes.
there. Please.
Yes, it's very important for everyone to spend some good time alone. So I usually spend some time alone. I feel relaxed when when I stressed, and I spend some good time
All
alone
right.
because
This is
it
good.
make me
Just
feel-
roar like a lion. Just answer actively, energetically, happily, and don't have this posture. Okay, this is the posture of a married man. You just talk like this.
Okay.
Yes, I would like to answer your questions. First of all, this and that. Okay, postures are important. Or you can put your hands here, and you can answer. Okay, yeah. Let's go on. What did you do last time when you were alone?
When last time when I was alone, I go for swim. I went to swimming. I feel very I felt very comfortable after swimming. So yeah, I was.
All right, your answers are short. You need to add some more detail, and your answers are a bit slow. Show interest.
Okay.
Right? Speak a bit louder, show interest, speak pleasantly. That's important for you. One last question. How do you usually spend time alone?
I usually spend time alone. I do some drawings and listen some music, and I enjoy both.
I enjoy myself. Okay, now see,
Yes.
you're making simple sentences. There is no connectivity. There is no organization. So try to organize your answer and mainly use compound sentences for better results. Right? Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.